Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakanhon Menteri Jongka Sarkar Jilla haka sitarik unai weng arajar khat khandai kala menjur banwanra daga jingpen bait thamai haka kendon jongka paragraph 8 jongka Meghalaya Charcoal Control of Production, Storage, Trade and Transit Amendment Rules 2019 kabakhanglat yaka karkhana ferro alloy banthiet yornga bashalan hi na kishnong baper jongka Jilla Meghalaya Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jilla uba Preston Tinsong hak jing keren bat kilat patai kubor ulaya tu bada ke jingwan ra yakani ke jing penbaik thamai hakani ke rule balak terwa da katnat Forest and Environment Jongka Sarkar Jilla nangni syahmat la hukum yak ke karkhana ferro alloy bakadai bantiet baik yauranga nashabar ke Jilla.
The existing provision in para 8 of these very rules says that source charcoal only from registered producers of stockist or from import. Charcoal which is produced locally will not be allowed in using in ferroalloys industries. So these concerned ferroalloy units has to procure charcoal from outside the state with immediate effect. Industries using charcoal as raw material shall be treated as stockiest of charcoal and shall source charcoal only from registered producers of stockiest or from imports. So meaning, legally speaking, it was allowed. So therefore today the cabinet has decided that we should not allow at all. So the stockiest is not at all allowed now. It should be brought from outside the state.
Kakanhon Menteri hak jok apor kala menjuru ban priang yaka drafted Memorandum of Understanding balawan ra dakatnat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jilla ban penrung biang ya kanu kakanhon kaban shimti kum ka Project Management Consultant na kabenta ban pentrei yaki project baper ki bayadei bat ka National Games kaban Salong House nem arhajar arpoar.
Relating to the engagement of PMC, Project Management Consultant, relating to the implementation of different projects for meeting the national game which is to be held in the year 2022. So the proposal was that the public undertaking organization, namely HSCL, Hindustan Steelworks Construction Limited, Government of India undertaking for engagement as PMC, Project Management Consultant, and again on detailed discussion and deliberation by the cabinet was happy to approve the proposal made by the sports to identify maybe the place for construction of stadium, or maybe for construction of village, what do you call it, village, games village, okay, like games village, because again we do have to construct quite a number of again mini stadiums. So these are the issues where we entrusted to the department, to the directorate and to the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs to assign. Because now MOU has been approved by the government, so now MOU is being signed with the public undertaking, and then assignment will be given by the department itself, maybe 1 or 2 or 3, whatever.